Hi, this is my very last unboxing video for July and it's my Feel Unique samples. Now I haven't got my box to show you. It normally comes in like a cardboard type envelope, but it came in an envelope this time, a little tiny one, and I've thrown it away. So I've got nothing to show you except for my products, which I'll show you individually in a little while. But if you're new to Feel Unique, I'll just go through it all quickly and let you know what it's all about. It's not a subscription box, you just opt in whenever you want and it's a sample service. So it costs £3.95, which includes postage and packaging, and you can choose up to 5 items on the website. Feel Unique is a shopping website, I suppose. It's got everything to do beauty, hair, makeup, skincare, you name it, everything is on there, and they do these sample services, which is fab. So you click on the Feel Unique and then you'll see bars at the top, click on the samples, that'll bring down a drop down menu, click on the pick and mix and that'll take you to the sample section. So there you'll have about 3 or 4 different pages full of different samples, and if you click on the newest, that'll bring obviously up the newest. If like me, you might end up doing it every month, I always look for the newest to see what's there to save me going through all the items that I've previously seen before, unless it's something I really like and I want to get again, that is. Now sometimes they have fab samples, really good size samples, and your £3.95 could be worth something like £30–40, but sometimes they don't, so it can be a bit hit and miss. You just opt in whenever you want, you just sign up to Feel Unique with an email and then you get the chance to actually purchase these samples, but you can only do it once a month. So say for instance you ordered on the 1st of July, you will not be able to do it again until the 1st of August, so it's just once a month, unless you've got a few emails, that is, but I shouldn't really say that, should I? So it's well worth checking out. If you're interested in this, it's well worth checking it out to see what new samples are coming up. So what I like about it also is that your £3.95 that paid for these samples is actually credited back onto your account to use against any future purchases. You can't use it against the pick and mix samples, but you can use it towards any makeup products, skincare products or whatever if you fancy buying that off the website. I do have a refer a friend code, I think it's for 20% off your first order. I'll link that down below, and I'll link down the Feel Unique, the pick and mix, the actual page and everything. So click on the show more and that'll bring a description and all the details will be down there if you're interested. So I always opt for the makeup first, so I check out the newest items in the makeup, go through all that, and then I go through it all. I also look for the sizes as well, because sometimes you can be sent tiny little sachets, but if you really delve in and have a look, you could find some samples that, you know, you've got 5 mils of perfume for instance, or you can have a big pot of something or something like that, so it's well worth looking really. So I'll just show you the items I've got. Obviously I've went for 5, as I always do. So I've got some samples here, and I got some samples here. So I'll just go through it one by one. So the first one, I'm excited to try this actually. It's Ren, and it's a clean skincare, and it's a Now to Sleep pillow spray. So that's what that looks like there. So it's a nice size, really nice size, and this is a 10 ml spray, and it's got a little spray, hold on. Oh, it's lovely. I've tried the Wix and the pillow spray there, and that's nice as well. I've tried a few actually, but no, I just fancy trying that to see what that's like, and it's quite a nice size, so that will last quite a long while, I think. The next item then is another little spray, and this is Living Proof Style Lab Instant Texture Mist. Ooh, for multiple texturized styles, use on damp or dry hair, and this is a 15 ml little bottle there. So I was interested to see what that would be like on my hair. So, I don't know. Oh, it's got a lovely smell. And my hand's going to be sticky now, isn't it? No, it's nice, really nice. I can't wait to see what it's like. So it's a shake well, spray on damp or dry hair, scrunch and tussle, air dry or blow dry for extra volume. So no, really excited to try that. And then the next item I've had before, and I've actually got the full size bottle of this, but I just love the bottles. They are so cute. They are so cute. I'll just show you what I mean. Look. That is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. It's quirky, yeah, I absolutely love it. I love the perfume actually, I do love the perfume. It's not just the bottles I go for, but this is a 5 ml bottle, so it's a nice size bottle. Now this isn't a spray, so it's a, you know, you put on your finger, put it in your wrists, But yeah, it's a nice fresh spray. It's not long lasting, unfortunately, but it is a gorgeous, gorgeous smell, and it's just handy to pop in my handbag instead of carrying the bigger one around with me. So that's why I went for that one. I love it. And then the next two items are cards. Now they've got the samples on here. So I've gone for Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. And I have got shade 1, 2, I've got 1N, 2W and 4N. And I thought those suited my skin tones better than the other options. So I'm not sure what it's like. You just peel it off, and I'm assuming you just rub it and just dab it under your eyes. But oh, isn't that model gorgeous? Her skin and her eyebrows. Oh, lovely. I'm sure it won't look like her. You never know, you never know. So I'm excited to try that. I always love trying new concealers. My favourite is Tarte Shape Tape, but sometimes I like to go for something a little bit lighter, mainly in the summer months, and easier to purchase as well. I don't want to buy off the QVC as it's nearly £30. But yeah, and the only other option is to wait for Tarte to have a sale or free shipping on their website, which isn't often, but never mind. So the next one is a new foundation by Benefit. So this is the Say Hello. No, it's not. It's Say Yes to, it's Hello Happy. So I went for these shades, 4, 5 and 6. Now I recently went into my local Debenhams and I got chatting to a really lovely lady there, a girl I should say, she's a lot younger than me. And I asked about this foundation. Now they do it in mini sizes, so I was thinking, if they don't do a tester, I'm going to buy the mini, because I think the mini was £10 and the full size is about £25, £26 from memory anyway. And I'd heard good things about it. It's quite lightweight and that it blurs your pores and everything like that. So I thought, oh, perfect. And it's got SPF 15 in it as well. I've just seen it here. It says Sheer Medium Coverage Liquid Foundation. So I went in and she kindly tested 2 shades on my skin, and we opted for shade number 3, and she did my full face. She applied the foundation to my face, and then she put on bronzer, highlighter and a bit of blush as well. All gorgeous Benefit makeup. I absolutely loved it. The makeup looked gorgeous, in all honesty. I was really shocked. When she showed me the mirror, I was like, oh no, because you know what it's like when you go into department stores. I mean, I used to work in a hairdressing salon. Oh, I couldn't bear to look at myself in the mirror because you've got all these massive, massive lights, and then the shadow on you is like, and it just shows up every imperfection. But no, I don't know what was happening that day, but I was really shocked when she showed me the mirror. I was like, oh my gosh, my skin just looked flawless. It literally looked gorgeous. So I am definitely going to buy it. But she tested number 3. It's a little bit orangey, but I wanted to go, I've been doing a bit of research, but I wanted to go for number 4 really, just to see what that's like, whether it's got more of a browner tone than an orange one. Or whether it's just going to get more and more orange the darker I go on my skin tone, I don't know. Well, the other option is to go for a number 2, but the lightest is a number 1, and I'm not really that pale. I am pale, but I'm not really, really, really pale, and I don't like wearing really, really pale foundations in the summer. Winter, fine, but not for the summer, because I do have a bit of fake colour on my skin. So that's why I've gone for this, just to try that out and see what it is. So we'll be popping back into Debenhams. I'm getting myself some of that foundation because it's gorgeous. So those are all the items. I'll just gather them all up. So I've got the sleep spray, I've got the texturizing spray, I've got the perfume, foundation and a concealer. I think I've done really well this month. I'm really excited to try them all. And yeah, £3.95. It is a bargain, isn't it? Well worth trying. As I said, some months, you know, a hit and miss, there might not be anything there, but it's definitely worth knowing about and taking a look to try before you buy, because yeah, if I fall in love with one of these products, like I did with this, I had the sample of this a good couple of months ago, I loved it, so I bought the bigger size. So it's definitely worth it. So yeah, so I hope you like this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely to give me a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. I've got some beauty reviews coming up and a Primark haul, all to try and fit in before the end of July. So we'll see how I'll go, but I'll speak to you soon. Take care, bye bye.